Get all your biscuits in there and you just start smashing them all down so they're all connected, making a nice layer on the bottom of your dish. Just like that. Oh, wait till you see this easy and tasty breakfast. All right, now that we got that, we are going to take our sausage patties here, the good kind. You like original or maple? I was torn between the two.
They're both pretty good.
Well, we went with original, so I hope you like it.
Of
Okay.
course. Ooh.
And then all you're gonna do is set down your sausage on top of these biscuits here. Just like that. Oh, it's gonna be so juicy. Oh, yes.
I know, my mouth's watering already.
It's great. Now that our sausage is down, we have 1 dozen of eggs. I'm just going to pour all over the top.
Oh.
Look at how delicious that is looking. I'm gonna leave them like this. I'm not gonna scramble them because we like sunny side up eggs around here. Wow, look at that. Next, we're gonna come in with some sea salt. You could use regular salt too, but I really like the sea salt. Let me know what you like better. Can you tell the difference between regular salt and sea salt?
Ooh.
I can. There we go, because who doesn't like a little salt with our breakfast? All right, now what would this be without adding some triple cheddar cheese?
Yes.
I know, right? So I'm just gonna take the cheese and I'm gonna sprinkle it all
Oh, yeah.
over the top, just like that. Wow, this is gonna be really good. So good for brunch parties, great for the whole family. My kids love this. Who doesn't love biscuits, sausage, and eggs? With some cheese, huh? Okay, let's just go ahead and add that there. Perfect.
There you go.
Now that we have that all cheesed up, let's go ahead and add some buttery, delicious goodness on top. We are just gonna spray that all over the top of our dish. Wow, look at that. Look at that glistening. Oh, it looks so buttery and delicious.
Sheesh.
Oh my gosh. All I'm gonna do now is set this into the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna take a look at it. It should be about good, but I'll let you guys know how it goes. All right, in she goes. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It smells so good. Oh, I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this. Let's see. I am going to go right here. And look at that. You can just cut in and get your biscuit. You can see kind of where the sausage patty is. Oh, do you see that? Wow.
That looks so yummy.
Oh my gosh. I love the corner piece too, where like the biscuit is just a little crispy on the edge. That's my favorite part. Okay, there we go. Oh, yes. All right. Okay, let's check this out right here. Oh, scoop all the way down. We want to get it all the layers in there. Wow.
Whoa.
Look, you got the egg in there. Look at the egg right there. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so delicious. So good. 1 pan, so easy. Everyone's gonna love this. Let's see, right here. I want some of that egg in there. Wow, look at that perfectly cooked sausage. We're gonna get a little bit of this, a little bit of everything right there. Okay, let's give this a try. All right.
Good?
I just love this dish. I love it with the biscuit. The sausage kind of cooks down into the biscuit. Oh my gosh, it gives it so much flavor. And really, just look at the egg. Look at how it cooked. It's like perfect. It was in there for 20 minutes. That's all I did, and it came out, oh, so good. I need to get another bite of this. Here, babe, I'll get you some. Let's see. I think you're gonna really like this a lot. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think? Great, huh?
Yeah.
Go to for sure.